Today I will teach you about non-project based TCL scripting, how to do with VIVADO. So you should have a VIVADO software to perform this scripting. Non-project based, it is nothing but there is no relation between the VIVADO GUI and TCL command. So here I am opening the VIVADO. So I already opened a project called PISO NBB non-project base. So I am opening the file. So it creates like this. I am just editing the code. I already wrote my code, so I am just copy and pasting. So I am changing name of my module. I just saved. So yeah, this code is on sequential, so I have to write a constant for. So I already added a constant file, so you have to write a constant on this window. So my constant is clock, so I have to write a constant on clock. So my clock name is clock and period is 10 seconds, and my clock get connected with my original clock. The ports were connected. So this is the constant of the clock. Just save. So to do the scripting, actually we will write a text window of TCL commands. So I am opening the text editor, new file. So we have to go for our project file. So our project file is PISO NPBR. So this is our project file. So open, just give a TCL file extension. So here I am writing PISO NPB.TCL. So every time you have to write a .tcl extension, not txt extension. So we are writing a TCL file of TCL commands. So it will open like this. So here I have to write commands for doing the scripting in TCL. First I have to give my project location. So my project location, due to my name is my project location have containing the space, I am using the double quotes, otherwise it is not necessary. Here Lucky Sri have some space, so that I am using double quotes. And you can see the directory here also. So I gave a project name, then so synthesis will done. So that synthesis we are taking timing, so we have to store in a file. So same location or different location, it is depends upon you. So I want that file in my desktop, so I'm writing desktop, and the file name is piezo npb synth.txt extension. So I'm copying this for further. So synth design is over. Now off to design, because these are the process for synthesis, off to design and root. Then off to design is the TCL command. Next, that off design we will save into a text file. Next is root. So these are the commands. So we are taking the report each and every step after synthesis, opting and routing. So the text files will be saved in the desktop, and there will be no relation between the VIVADO GUI, and so the synthesis will not affect here. Previously in project based design, the synthesis will affect while running in the TCL commands. So it will give you a effect in the synthesis also, but here there is no effect on the synthesis and implementation. So these files will be generated on the desktop accordingly. So we will check with that. So I am saving and closing my window, and I have to remember that piezo npb.tcl is my file. So open TCL. So it will take some time. So if we want each and every time as a report, we can go for the npb. So I have to check my correct location. This is not my project location, so I have to give. Now it is in Lucky Sri. I want to go for piezo. Okay. I have to go. Actually my location is wrong, so I am giving one time. Now my location is piezo npb is my location. So this is my location in which we can do TCL command scripting. So I have to give source. Our name is piezo npb dot TCL. So now it will take synthesis and it will generate report, and optimization it will generate report, and routing and it will generate report. So like that it will do, but it will be a continuous process. So we can't give some breaks in middle, so it will be continuous, and after that you will get a report on the desktop. So let's wait and see for the synthesis run. So now see the reports we are getting. The synthesis is over. We have to check the reports are came or not. So here reports came. One is for root, one is for synthesis, another one is for optimization. So we got the reports correctly, and we will check whether VIVADO is done synthesis or not in GUI. So here now it will open VIVADO and we will check if the synthesis are run in the GUI or not. So non-based project is there is no relation between the VIVADO and this one interlinkation. So it should not give any synthesis reports and all. It should not perform the synthesis in GUI. So we will check whether it is showing or not. So you can see it is design runs. The synthesis is not started actually. You can see the synthesis and implemented not started. That means there is no relation between that implementation and all. So there is no change in the synthesis and implementation. So this method of writing and synthesizing and routing the designs is called non-project based TCL scripting. So with the use of TCL commands, we will do the tickle commands we will use for the synthesis of a non-project based design. Okay, thank you.